Good evening. Today we are starting a new channel, Smart Study. In this channel, we have many videos, and which are generally you can see through live. And for example, we have our sports activities is also there, science activities also there. We have spoken English, we have art and craft classes, and we have also Vedic math classes. So I am Abhijit Panda, principal Kendriya Vidyalaya Sabarmati, is taking the Vedic math class in Smart Study channel. Okay, so basically what is Vedic math? All of you may be knowing it. Vedic math is an ancient technique to do our mathematical calculation very faster. It can simplify the addition, it can simplify the subtraction, it can simplify multiplication, it can simplify division, cube roots, square roots, and fourth root, fraction, trigonometry, then solving the equation. In many ways, Vedic math is I can say that it is an amazing tool, magic tool by which we can do the mathematical calculation very faster rate that you cannot imagine. So this is just my introduction to the class. Here we learn many tricks, and every day the class will be live, and you can see Monday to Friday we have our classes, live classes, and here we will continuously discuss different type of things, different type of shortcuts, different type of tricks, short tricks, and different types of amazing tools also, by which definitely I can ensure that if you will continuously see my classes, definitely your mathematical skill, mathematical calculation speed is become very improved. Or I can say that for doing any calculation, my target is whatever may be the number, big number, multiplication, division, square root, cube root, hardly it will take from 10 second to 15 second. It is not only for simple calculation. If it is a big calculation, bigger numbers are involved, then also the time limit is 10 to 15 second. And this much I can ensure, I can guarantee that if you will continuously stick to my channel, and definitely you can improve. In the live classes, we will discuss about the tricks, short tricks, and afterwards I will also give you the exercises. You will do practice, and like this the classes will go on. So today I will discuss some of the tricks, and you can understand. For example, suppose we are taking two numbers. Okay, suppose these are the two numbers. Okay, basically I am taking the same type of number whose last digit is 5. Same type of two digit number whose last digit is 5. Okay, or we can say it to be 35 square. So that means 35 into 35. So this type of number in which unit digit is 5. Unit digit is 5 and the other digits are same. Then we can apply this trick. So trick is very simple. So 5 into 5, that will be 25. 5 into 5, this is 25. And here in the 10th place it is 3, here also 3. This is only applicable for the same type of number having 5 in its unit place. So here 3, here 3. So 3, then the next digit of 3, that is 4. So 3 into 4, that will become 12. 3 and its next digit is 4. So 3 into 4, that is 12. So the number is 1225. So 35 into 35, this will become 1225. Hardly it will take 1 to 2 seconds. Simply by seeing this number, you can tell me the answer. For example, I am taking another number for your easy understanding. 45 into 45. So here also the same type of number having 5 in its unit place. So 5 into 5, this will become how much? 25. And in the 10th place the number is 4 and its next digit is 5. So what I'll do, 4 and the next digit is 5. So 4 into 5. You will multiply the number 10th place, the digit which is at 10th place. That number will be multiplied with the next digit, that is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So my answer is 2025. So in this way easily you can do it. So this trick is only applicable if the numbers are same, two numbers are same, or finding the square of a number whose unit digit is 5. So here we can apply it. So this is one example of using the Vedic math for finding the square of numbers whose unit digit is 5. Okay, next, suppose I want to multiply a number. Let us take a bigger number. Okay, let's have some fun with number. Suppose I have taken a number 6, 5, 7, 8. 6, 5, 7, 8, and this number you have to multiply with 9999. Okay, so this method we can apply for that type of numbers in which one number is consisting of only nines and the other number may be consisting of any digit, but the number of digits or the number of nines, here there are 4 nines is there, and here also number of digit is 4. Then only we can apply this rule. So first you have to, in Vedic math, you have to be very sure about the rule and you have to practice it, and after doing a lot of practice automatically you will get acquainted with it and you will not face any type of problem or difficulties. So here this rule only can be applied if both the number have same number of digits and one of the number consisting of only nines, then only we can apply this method. Okay, so method is very simple. Okay, so what I will do, first I will write 6, 5, 7, 8. Okay, and I am drawing a vertical line, and in the side I am writing 999. Okay, like this first I am writing. Then what I will do, I will just subtract 1. What I will do, I will just subtract 1. 6, 5, 7, 7. Whatever the number is, other number, from that number we will subtract 1. So I am getting 6, 5, 7, 7. And same thing has to be subtracted from the number consisting of only 9. So this, whatever after subtracting 1, how much you are getting, that has to be subtracted from 4 9. So what I will get, 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is our final answer. So answer is 6, 5, 7, 7, 3, 4, 2, 2. This will also hardly take 2 seconds. First you have to understand this method. Okay, what I am doing, the number which has to be multiplied with nines, from that number we have to subtract 1. You have to take 1 less. So this is 6, 5, 7, 7. And that thing has to be subtracted from nines. So 3, 4, 2, 2. So in this way you can do any type of multiplication in which one number is consisting of only nines, and in both the number they must have the same number of digits. Suppose I am taking another example. If you have any doubt, you can pause the video, you can stop the video, and again you can watch it, so you will understand. Suppose it is given that 670 3 into 999. First of all, you have to see this rule can be applied or cannot be applied. So here we can apply because the number of digits in both the case are same. So what I will do, first one less, so it will be 672, and 672 has to be subtracted from here. So what is the result? 327. So this is the answer. So hardly it will take 2 seconds. So what I am doing, when I am doing the multiplication, the number has to be subtracted by 1. That means 1 less. You just write 1 less. So 673. This is 1 less. That means 672. And this 672 is to be subtracted from 9. Or you have to write the conjugate of 9. So 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. So this is the final answer. So in this way, suppose I am taking another example. Suppose 9999. And first I am writing the number 26789 into 999999. That means the two number having the same number of digits and one of them consisting of only 9s. So what will be my answer? Directly you can write the answer. No need of doing all the steps. This is for your understanding only. So what is my answer? So 2, 6, 7, 8, 1 less, that means 8. Then what I will do? I will do right conjugate of 9, or you can subtract it. 9 minus 2, 7, or here you can write 7, 8, 8, so that you will not do any mistake. So 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 8, 1. So this is the final answer. Hardly it will take 2 to 3 seconds. So in this way, in Vedic mathematics, the calculation is very easy and you can do it very faster also after doing a lot of practice. And this is not applicable for special number. This Vedic mathematics is applicable for all type of number. I am giving you one example. Suppose you want to multiply 42 into 23. Any two-digit number, you are multiplying any two-digit number. For this also there is a method that is known as stick method. So stick method, what will do? 2 into 3, I will write 6. Then 4 into 2, first I will write, I will draw this type of column. So 2 into 3, 6. 4 into 2, 8. Then I will do cross multiplication and I will write their sum. So 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 2, 4. So that will be 16. So here I will write 16. So once again I am explaining. 2 into 3, 6. 4 into 2, 8. Then I will do cross multiplication. So 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 2, 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. Here I will write 6. Here I will write 6. Only will take one digit. This one will carry to the next column. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So it will be the 966. So 966 is the answer. So if we will continuously watch my live classes, and definitely you will have more practice, and you will feel after 1 or 2 months automatically you will start feeling that your mathematical skill has considerably improved. So once again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you will continuously watching my class. Do subscribe my channel and give likes. That will motivate me to do this type of classes. Thank you once again.